kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about measures of length, mass, and capacity. In this lesson, we will focus on the measures of length. In this lesson, you will learn how to convert measures of length from larger to smaller units and vice versa. Are you ready? Teacher Beth and her family went on a vacation during a long weekend. When they approached a long river bridge, Teacher Beth read that it is 1.4 kilometers. She wants to know the length of the bridge in meters. Can you help Teacher Beth do this? Here is a table of units of measure of length. Let's study the table for some common units of linear measure. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters and 1,000 millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. In the metric system, meter is the standard unit of length. Kilometer is used to measure long lengths and distances. Centimeter and millimeter are used to measure shorter lengths. It is easier to use a conversion lookup diagram like this one. These are the units of length: kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeters. Kilometers to millimeters are units from larger to smaller unit, while millimeter to kilometers are from smaller to larger unit. When we convert from larger to smaller unit, we use multiplication. Like kilometer to meter, multiply them to 1,000. Meter to centimeter, multiply to 100. Centimeter to millimeter, multiply them to 10. While converting from smaller to larger unit, we use division. Like millimeter to centimeter, divide them to 10. Centimeter to meter, divide them to 100. And meter to kilometer, divide them to 1,000. As I've said, when we convert a unit of measure from a larger unit to a smaller unit, we use multiplication. Let's solve the first example. Convert 1.4 kilometers to meters. So 1.4 kilometer is equal to blank meters. So the unit for conversion for kilometer is 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So 1.4 kilometer is equal to 1.4 times 1,000 meters, and it's 1,400 meters. Or we can also do the rules of moving the decimal. So 1.4 kilometer is equal to 1.4 times 1,000 meters. So 1.4 times 1,000. So this is a larger unit to a smaller unit. So we move the decimals to the right. Since there are 3 zeros in 1,000, so we move the decimal to 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then we add 0, 0. So the answer is 1.4 kilometers is equal to 1,400 meters. Let's have example number 2. Convert 4 meters to centimeters. 4 meter is equal to blank centimeter. So the unit of conversion is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 4 meters is equal to 4 times 100 centimeter, and it's equal to 400 centimeters. So let's do the rules of moving the decimal. 4 meters is equal to 4 times 100 centimeter. So we're going to move the decimal to the right. So 4 times 100. So since there are two zeros in 100, we're going to move the decimal 2 times. So 1, 2. So 1, 2, 0. So the answer is 4 meters is equal to 400 centimeters. Let's do example number 3. Convert 2.4 kilometers to centimeters. So 2.4 kilometers is equal to blank centimeter. Let's convert first kilometer to meters, which is 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Then convert meters to centimeters. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 2.4 times 1,000 meters is equal to 2,400 meters. Now, let's convert meters to centimeters, which is 2,400 times 100 centimeter is equal to 240,000 centimeters. So the answer is 2.4 kilometers is equal to 240,000 centimeters. When we convert a unit of measure from a smaller unit to a larger unit, we use division. Let's do example number 4. Convert 580 meters to kilometers. So 580 meters is equal to blank kilometer. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So 580 meters times, let's write the conversion units, which is 5 kilometer over 1,000 meters. Let's cancel the same unit, the meters, and then multiply 580 and 1. And it's equal to 580 kilometers divided by 1,000. And it's equal to 0.58 kilometers. Let's do the rules of moving the decimal. 580 meters to kilometers. So 580 divided by 1,000. Since this is from a smaller unit to a larger unit, we use division and we move the decimals to the left. So, since this is 1,000, we're going to move the decimal 3 times. From here, 1, 2, 3. And this will be the decimal, and it becomes 0.58. So the answer is 580 meters is equal to 0.58 kilometers. Let's do the next example. Convert 500 millimeters to meters. And 1 meter is equal to 1,000 millimeters. So 500 millimeters times, let's write the conversion unit, 1 meter over 1,000 millimeters. Cancel the same unit, millimeters. Then multiply 500 times 1 is equal to 500 meters divided by 1,000, and it's equal to 0.5 meters. So let's do the rules of moving the decimal. So 500 divided by 1,000. So we're going to move the decimal to the left since this is from smaller to larger unit. There are 3 zeros in 1,000, so we will move the decimal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And here is the decimal, and it becomes 0.5. So the answer is 500 millimeters is equal to 0.5 meters. Once again, these are the measures of length. So these are the units of measure of length. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters and 1,000 millimeters. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. When we convert units from larger to smaller, we use multiplication. So, kilometer to meter times 1,000, meter to centimeter times 100, and centimeter to millimeter times 10. And when we convert from smaller to larger unit, we use division. Millimeter to centimeter, divide 10. Centimeter to meter, divide 100. And meter to kilometer, divide 1,000. Convert each item to the required unit of linear measure. You can also do this in your notebook. You may use the long method of conversion or the rules in moving the decimal. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 14 kilometers to meters. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. This is large to small unit, so we use multiplication. So 14 times 1,000. So we're going to move the decimal 3 times. From here, 1, 2, 3. And then we add 3 0, 1, 2, 3. So 14 kilometers is equal to 14,000 meters. For number 2, 5.2 meters, 2 centimeters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So again, we will use multiplication since this is largely small unit. So 5.2 times 100. So we're going to move the decimal 2 times since this is 100. From the decimal, 1, 2. Then add 0. So 5.2 meters is equal to 520 centimeters. Let's have number 3, 754 centimeters to meters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Since this is a conversion from small to large unit, so we use division. 754 divided by 100. So we're going to move the decimal to the left 2 times since there are two zeros in 100. So from here, 1, 2. So this will be the decimal. So 754 centimeters is equal to 7.54 meters. And for number 4, 860 meters, 2 kilometers. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Again, this is from small to large unit, so we use division. So 860 divided by 1,000. So we're going to move the decimal to the left 3 times since this is 1,000. So from here, 1, 2, 3. And this will be the decimal. And the answer is 860 meters is equal to 0.86 kilometers. Next, number 5. 6 kilometers to meters. So again, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. This is large to small units, so we use multiplication. So 6 times 1,000. So we move the decimal 3 times since this is 1,000. So from here, 1, 2, 3. And then we add 30. So 6 kilometers is equal to 6,000 meters. For number 6, 23 kilometers to meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Since this is large to small unit, we use multiplication, moving the decimal to the right. So 23 times 1,000. Since this is 1,000, we move the decimal 3 times. From here, 1, 2, 3. Then add 30. So 23 kilometers is equal to 23,000 meters. Number 7, 700 meters to kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. This is small to large unit. We use division. So 700 divided by 1,000, and we move the decimal to the left 3 times. From here, the decimal, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 0.7 kilometers. Number 8, 76 meters to centimeters. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Since this is large to small unit, so we use multiplication. So 76 times 100, we move the decimal 2 times. From here, 1, 2, and then just add 20. So 76 meters is equal to 7,600 centimeters. And for number 9, 340 centimeters to meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and this is small to large, so we use division. So 340 divided by 100. So we're going to move the decimal to the left 2 times. From here, 1, 2. And this will be the decimal. So 340 centimeters is equal to 3.4 meters. And for number 10, last number, 5,000 millimeters to centimeter. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Since this is small to large, so we use division. So 5,000 divided by 10. And we move the decimal once, since this is 10. So from here, 1. So 5,000 millimeters is equal to 500 centimeters. And for those who did the long computation, these are the solutions.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.